In front of me I've got OPPO A15s. In this video I'll show you how to change alarm sound. In the beginning, let's enter clock. Set up new alarm, for example random, and enter it. Go to more, enter ringtone, and now you can select from the system sounds or from your custom sounds. Go back, tap save, and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.